This video is going to show how to replace the stock shaft with a custom shaft. The Phillips head screwdriver. On the side here is a screw. Go ahead and remove that. The black nut around the top is reverse thread, so make sure you turn it clockwise from above. And they're usually on pretty snug, so you have to put a little elbow grease in to get it broken free. For this next part, make sure that the shaft is free down here and it's not being stopped by anything. I use an ice pick usually. New custom shaft. You can see it's longer and it has the threads that the bits can thread right onto. Again, it's a reverse thread on the black nut. This is the part that's kind of tricky. You need a press. If you don't have a press, when you push that in there, if you use something else, you have a chance of damaging the bearings. The press makes it so you don't. If you damage the bearings, then you're going to have the bearings replaced, and that's no fun. So, if you like, just take this part off of your die grinder, send it to me, and I'll do this for you, no charge. Or buy a new die grinder, and we'll ship it to you with a shaft already assembled on it for you. Try not to tighten this too much because I don't want to crack the plastic down here. So that's it. The large shaft has been installed in an 800 die grinder.